Guys, I just dropped it in the water and it started glitching out. You see that? And I think it's stuck in a boot loop. Alright, let's just let these two phones. I'm currently live streaming on another phone. This one just fell in the water and the microphone didn't work. Alright, see that? Here's this picture of me, which is pretty creepy. And the speaker still works. Unexpected. The screen is like just glitching out. You know, let's destroy it. Alright, let's destroy this thing instead. Alright, let's just do the regular hammer instead of the sledgehammer. We're gonna just give it some hits for a little bit. Alright, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh shit. Let's try to smack the screen first. 11, 12, 13. Alright, hello, Fat Hippo69. If I just can. Oh shit, the phone turned off. I lost count, but forget it. The water indicator is red. This is called abusement against phones. Alright, let's boot her up. The screen is flickering. I see it. I see it turning on for a little bit. Alright, forget it. Alright, let's do the nail remover. Ooh. Got a huge dent. Imagine boomers destroying this phone. They're like, why can't I call my mother? Oh shit, the screen is flickering. I can see it. Yeet! Hopefully the battery doesn't explode. I can just throw it in the water instead. I'm not stupid. What is this, the Note 7? Oh shit, the battery's bulging out. What the fuck? This bitch is hot. What the fuck? I'm really scared right now. Shit! What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh shit. You hear that? Yo, I'm for real scared. Oh my god. Yo, I'm for real scared. Alright, let's just leave the phone here. Don't worry. I'm recording with a second-hand phone. Alright, let's just put it here for people on live to see it. What the fuck? Does this thing still work? I'm scared right now. Oh shit. We don't want no Galaxy Note 7 in this house. Alright. No sign of power. Well, I guess it's dead. But I have one last idea. Hopefully I don't spill. But let's just try to break the hinge. Oh, we already broke it, boys. Look at that. Completely straight, like me. I'm just kidding. Now let's put the battery in the water. Hopefully it doesn't explode. This is what I call content. Yeah. Oh shit, look, now we know what's inside a flip phone, guys. We got some processing chips here. But hey, look, at least I got another flip phone up and working. See that, boys? We got another flip phone, but because I want to keep it. But this one just deserves to die. We got some buttons bulging out, just like my dick. All right, let's just see if it still works. I'm in stupidity mode. Oh shit! Let's put it back in the water. Cause like the battery just wants to explode. But I'm not letting that happen. We're gonna see if it boots up in the water. Oh, looks like it's dead because since all the buttons bulged out. Just die, battery. Just fucking die, please. Maybe it's the speaker that's just making noises or the battery. Because like when I removed it, it didn't make any noise. I'm recording in 10 minutes right now. I'm screen recording on the ZTE. On this one, right? Like this one that I'm live streaming with. And I'm using this phone to like, record on second camera. Hopefully I can post this on YouTube successfully, because like literally I hope I don't go over 10 minutes. Yeah, I see the battery contacts aren't working. Oh shit. I don't care if it falls in the water. I really do not care about this phone. Like when I turned it on, it just wasn't being nice to me. It didn't show the setup screen saying, hello, set this up please. I think the processing chip broke. I think that's why I'm no longer work. Oh. Is it gonna like explode? Cause like, I'm gonna just throw this in the water. Alright, Alright, here's some shit again. Go on, just power on. I want you to work again. I swear to God, you stupid bitch. Oh shit. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna clean this up after the live and video. Alright, forget the water. Let's just destroy this thing spectacularly. Literally, my parents are gonna be pissed off. Like, literally just looking a whole mess of this. Alright, forget this hammer, classic hammer, and all this shit. Let's just use a sledgehammer. Oh, shit! I just smacked the screen. Let's see if it has LCD damage, because I think I cracked the inside of it. Let's clear all the water out here. I don't see it cracked. Oh, yeah, it's cracked. I see it. The inside is cracked. Sorry for this phone not seeing it. Let's put back the battery. Now, let's boot her up. What do you expect? It doesn't work. Power on, you stupid asshole. Okay, so, hopefully my lag doesn't go away. But here I have another flip phone. Up and charging and working. And I'm not destroying that one because it's just nice to me. It showed the setup screen. I think this phone is used. Maybe it's refurbished. I don't know. But, hey. And it's made from ZTE. Great, now I have like 3 ZTE phones. This one, the other one in my room, and this one. Wow. Boot up and work. I said, boot up and work. God damn it. Well, if you don't want to boot up and work, then I guess you deserve this. Oh shit, something fell out. Must be the piece of the hinge. Yup. This fell out right here in this hole. Sorry for being disgusting. The battery is bent. I think that's why it's not working no more. What do you expect? It's a fucking battery. And the hinge is breaking apart. Just get the fuck back in. Ugh. There we go. We got a perfectly wet phone. And the hinge is falling apart. Like, literally, it's not closing very good. Literally, it's like bent in another way. Bent test. Oh shit, look, this part right here is like bent and it's about to break. Boot up, goddammit. This is what you get, Consumer Cellular, for not answering my question. Why isn't my phone turning on? Yes, this actually happened. I called consumer sale and why this phone didn't turn on. And turns out it was just a battery that was dead. And I called for a new replacement battery and they just refused to, so I decided to order off of Amazon and bought a new battery for that phone. And what the hell? Is this dog here? Nah, I know that's not my uncle's hair. Because he isn't that old. And his hair isn't that long. I'm not saying he's bald and shit. The screen is like literally bent. I have an idea. Let's just try to like open the screen apart. If I can. And literally no one is watching. Is it just like me or something? Hold up. I'm gonna look at this live. If I can. If I can look at my other account. My phone is frozen. What the fuck? Oh, no, it's not. No! I'm not calling 911. What the fuck? Stop dialing automatically. Okay. Come on, can I see you live? No one cares, come on. Alright, forget that whole shit. Alright, forget that, but I'm not sure if I'm literally live right now. Is it live or something? Oh, I'm lagging. I'm for real lagging, but who cares? No one's watching, I don't care. Well, let's just press end for a little bit, see if it just like... No, cancel. Alright, it's still up. It's just that no one is here watching. Alright, the screen is bulging apart. Okay. And smack. Oh! Damn. It's called plastic quality. Let's just try to open that apart. Ah. This shit's made of glass. Let's just put this inside. This water and shit. Yeet. You deserve a spanking. And we broke the screen apart. Now we got four pieces. What happens when you drop an Android? Hey, look, we got a smartphone. Pretty cool, right? Let's destroy the screen first. Yada. Oh, shit. There's water inside the screen already. Well, yes, already. It's what's inside a hinge. Literally, no one is watching. What the fuck? Hopefully I don't break the floor, because it's just what actually happened last time. Open up part already, come on. That's the adhesive. Alright. Let's try to bend the screen. I have no strength, guys. Alright, let's try to, like, just putting this right here, and, like, yeet. The screen's already cracked. I just want to break this already. Alright, we did it. We bent it apart. So now open up. What the fuck? I really hope I don't get shards of glass everywhere. Oh, there's water on the phone. We're already recording for 20 minutes, and still no one is watching. Let's just wait. Let's just post. Live stream is still up, it's just no one is watching. Okay, some people are suggesting me to put fire on this thing. But the little issue is I don't have a lighter. Okay, let's get some alcohol and water, shall we? Alright, let's burn this phone into flames. But hopefully I have some Febreze, but I gotta ask one of my siblings, you know what I mean? Alright, this is like, I can see my own live just in case if it goes out. What the hell? Alright, so we're gonna exit out here a little bit, because I don't want it to be interrupted. Okay. Let's go. Hey, Karen! Karen! Alright, fuck you. Oh shit, I forgot to remove the battery. Glad I noticed before I actually burnt it. Here's the battery. It's all bent and just smells. Here's the keyboard. Oh shit. And here's the screen itself. Alright. If this phone could be in view, hopefully I can just like adjust it a little bit. Ah, damn it. Alright, hopefully I can... Alright, I can't see the screen well due because of that. Alright. Alright, it already smells like shit already. Oh, hey, Abner.
Huh?
Come here.
Why in my room?
I'm not in your room.
Yes.
The bathroom light is on. Alright, say hello to the live, Abner. Say hi.
Hi.
He's nice. He's innocent. I want to turn on the TV, but I don't want to get copyright striked. Alright, let's look at the results. Alright, we see the corners burnt. Alright, we're just going to show that to the live. Karen, turn off the music. No, 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 no.